The lines on the gates tell us a lot about how the gate expresses itself. So, a gate that's in the first line means that you tend to go deep and you study and learn about that archetype as part of your life path. A gate that's in a second line means that you have to retreat and integrate and understand that gate. You need alone time to really contemplate the theme of that gate before you can really live it out effectively. If you have a gate in a third line, it means you're here to experiment and explore and learn about that gate through your own lived experience. If you have a gate in the fourth line, it means oftentimes you're going to learn about that particular theme through your relationships. If you have a gate that's in a fifth line, it means you're here to lead people and teach people about the meaning of that gate once you learn it for yourself. And if you have a gate in the sixth line, it means you're here to really embody that gate, like to really be that theme. And in that beingness, in you really embodying that energy in a mature way, you lead the way. Other people look at you and watch you to see how you're doing it so that they themselves can do it.